In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to import contacts to Honeybook, a powerful tool that helps streamline your business operations. Whether you're transitioning from another platform or just getting started with Honeybook, importing your contacts is a crucial step to ensure that your communication runs smoothly and efficiently. So let's dive in and make this process as seamless as possible. First, you'll want to navigate to the contacts page within your Honeybook account. This is where all your existing contacts are organized and where you'll be adding your new ones. If you're not sure where to find it, simply log into your Honeybook account and look for the contacts section in the main menu. This page is your centralized hub for managing relationships, so getting familiar with it will be incredibly beneficial as your network grows. Once you're on the contacts page, you'll notice an option that says Add Contact. Click on this and you'll see several choices for how you can add new contacts. For today's tutorial, we're going to focus on importing your Google contacts, which is a fantastic way to quickly bring over a large number of contacts if you've been using Gmail or Google services to manage your communications. After selecting Import Google Contacts, you'll be prompted to choose the specific contacts you wish to import. This step is particularly useful if you want to bring over only a subset of your contacts rather than your entire list. You might have specific groups or individuals that are more relevant to your current projects, and this feature allows you to be selective about who gets added to your Honeybook database. As you make your selections, take a moment to consider who you'll need to communicate with most frequently. Prioritizing these contacts will ensure that your most important relationships are front and center as you begin to use Honeybook's features to their full potential. Once you've made your choices, simply click the Import button. This will initiate the transfer of your selected contacts from Google into Honeybook. Depending on the number of contacts you're importing, this process might take a little time, but rest assured Honeybook handles the heavy lifting for you. Once the import is complete, your contacts will appear on the contacts page, ready for you to categorize, update, or reach out to as needed. And just like that, you've successfully imported your contacts into Honeybook. This small but significant step will help you maintain better communication and organization as you manage your projects and client relationships. Remember, keeping your contacts up to date and well organized is key to leveraging Honeybook's powerful project management and communication tools effectively. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. With your contacts now in place, you're well on your way to optimizing your workflow and making the most of what Honeybook has to offer. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other guides to continue enhancing your Honeybook experience. Happy organizing!